Well, I got the water jug on. I got the blade guides moved around and I got them working properly. This is a log that we cut. It was a little bitty one. Wound up cutting down to a 4x4 with some rough edges on it. But we're gonna put some big ones on tomorrow. And I used a wheelchair lift to make me a log turner. And I put a cable instead of a strap. It'll rotate 360 degrees by hand. I got my metal to build my, sorry about that, to build my guards and my doors and all out of. I got two grandbabies and I do not want them running around here with that with no guards on it. I got to move my axle back. This trailer had 3 axles under it when it was a camper, and I got to move it back one more hole to get my tongue weight leveled out. I like one more little thing on it. That's getting my belt tensioner fixed to where I can lock it in place. I've got it off right now because I've had the blades off. All of that stuff off today. Working on my blade guides. It works fairly good. It gets a little stuck. I think I'm going to take these old set screws completely out because I don't need them anymore. I thought I was going to use them to lock it down with, but it don't need that because this pushes, the blade guide pushes up on the piece of metal and it keeps it firm against the bottom of this, and that makes it a little hard to slide because I put a little tension on the blade guide, so it'll push down just a little, not much. But overall, I think that's gonna be good. We got that cedar log right there is going to be cut up into lumber tomorrow, and possibly that one. And I got some more here. We got some more off down in the bottom, in the back there. Yeah, we got a good bit of work to do, and we fixing to put the old boy to work. I am going to build another one. I want to use a 168-inch blade to cut bigger lumber, the bigger logs, to make wider lumber, because I have some 40-inch logs that I've got to find some way to cut them or just let them rot. Y'all subscribe, like my videos. I'm new to this. I'm just trying to get into it. I lost my son last year in a bad car wreck. Lost my daddy 7 years ago. My grandmother 6 years ago. And I'm getting into something that's going to occupy my time. I've had shoulder surgery and I got to go back in February and have it again. That's part of the hood off of the truck that my son got killed in. God, I sure do miss him. Thank y'all, and hit the like button and subscribe, and we got more videos coming.